Aloha, I am Mary Farmer, and this is an introduction to endocrinology. Endocrinology is the study of the endocrine system. And the endocrine system is any system that secretes hormones into the blood supply to communicate with other organs. The endocrine system is involved in the regulation of body systems. Endocrinology is regulation of growth, regulation of energy and metabolism, and balancing the above with sugar, which is glucose, and salts, which is sodium and potassium, and water. Glucose, sodium, potassium, and water require very careful control. Osmolality and osmolarity are a way of describing the balance between glucose, salts, and free water. Free water is fresh water. Once salt or glucose is added, water loses some of its freedom and gets stuck to the osmol. So understanding free water, osmosis, diffusion, and semi-permeable membranes is important. Here we have a U-shaped tube with free water. Let's add a semi-permeable membrane. If we see a close-up of the semi-permeable membrane, we can see that only water is allowed to pass. Semi-permeable membrane does not allow sugar or salt to pass through it. Notice that the salt and sugar attract the water and move the water across the membrane. Let's add some osmols to one side. Here we see that sodium was added to our U-shaped tube, and that sodium pulls the water against gravity. The force required to move the water against gravity is called pressure. So you see here the water has gone from the right side of the tube up into the left side of the tube because it is attracted to the sodium. This force is what we refer to as osmotic pressure. There are specialized semi-permeable membranes everywhere.